I see you over there.
Okay.
It's been a minute, I've been trying so hard to get to you. And I can tell by your look that you wanted me to. True.
Okay.
I'm with my boys, you're with your girl, so you can bring them with you. That's cool.
You can bring them.
And we can have an after party in my hotel room.
Nice.
Room. Street lights in Tokyo, they shine so bright, taking off into the night. Street lights in Canada, they shine bright, taking off on ninja bikes. Don't disturb, I'm in my hotel room. Don't disturb, I'm in my hotel room.
Nice.
Don't disturb, I'm in my hotel room. Drinking licks and playing tunes. Sweet, sweet, oh your body so right, so nice. I wanna spend all night with you.
Yeah.
We cool, they cool, everyone's crew. So what else can we do?
What else?
I bought a lot of beer and a little of rum. They say I act crazy, sometimes get a little dumb. I admit my insides, baby's a little numb. So that's why tonight all I wanna do is have some fun. Chill, ill, spill, calm, I run it. Done it since the days of Teen Summit. In this money we plummet. I'm really on it, I want it. I want it. It's been a minute, I've been trying so hard to get to you. And I can tell by your look that you wanted me to. True.
I like that.